Hello everyone, I'm back with a video for your mixed practice. Now this mixed practice is very similar to the constructed response questions you'll be asked to do on your CA on December 14th. And what I mean by that, it's going to be the same level of difficulty. So if you can do these, you can do your CA. So let's look at number 1. Mr. Manka, shout out to Mr. Manka, plotted the point B, which is 1, 4, on a coordinate grid below. So here's point B. Mr. Manka then graphed line P on the same coordinate grid. Line P contains point B and has a y-intercept of 0, 6. What is the slope of line P? So let's think about, what do we know about line P? It contains point B, meaning my line is going to go through point B, and it has a y-intercept of 0, 6. So I'm going to go ahead and plot 0, 6. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, now if I have 2 points, I can find the slope. So slope is rise over run. My rise is 2. My run is, I'm going to label this point P, 1. Okay, is this a positive or negative slope? Remember slope, dude. Oh, this is a negative slope. So my slope would be -2. And then I could go ahead and make my line more. I could go down another 2 over another 1. And then I could go ahead and graph this line. Okay, part B says write an equation of line P. Whenever we see write an equation of a line, the first thing that should come into your mind, and the first thing you should write down, y equals mx plus b. You must write that down. Okay, and then y equals, our slope was -2x. Our y-intercept is 6. And that is the equation of line P. A, B, and C are typical exponent problems you will be expected to deal with. For letter A, and teacher, please give students some time to work on A, B, and C by themselves. I'm just going through them right now because I just don't have that much storage space on my phone, but please feel free to pause. So I'm going to multiply my coefficients. 5 times 4 is 20. X to the second, x to the third is x to the fifth. I'm adding my exponents. Y to the third, y to the -4th. 3 plus -4 is y to the -1. This looks great, except I have a negative exponent. So anything with an exponent is going to move. Y to the -1 becomes y to the first, or I could write just y. For B, whenever I have a fraction, I'm going to simplify my numerator and then worry about the whole thing. So 2 times -4 is -8. X, 2 plus 6 is 8. Over 2x to the second. So now I simplify my numerator, simplify my denominator. Now I'm going to go ahead and divide. -8 divided by 2 is -4. X to the 8th divided by x to the second is x to the 6th. And there we go. Now letter C, I have to simplify my numerator and my denominator. And then go ahead and divide. So I get 20 from 5 times 4. 1 plus -2 is x to the -1. And then y to the first times y to the fourth is y to the fifth. Over 2x to the second, y to the negative fourth. So now I'm just going to work left to right. 20 divided by 2 is 10. Negative 1 minus 2 is x to the negative 3. 4 minus negative 5. Sorry, 5 minus negative 4. So again, it's 5, not 5 minus 4, 5 minus negative 4, which is positive 9. So let's look at our answer. Is this our final answer? You should be thinking no, because I have a negative exponent. So this x to the negative 3 goes here, so it becomes a positive 3.